Imagine living comfortably and happily, no matter how much money you make. That's exactly what Sarah does. Sarah is a single mother who works as a school teacher. She doesn't earn a high salary, but she has learned how to make the most of every dollar. Her secret? Smart financial management and a positive mindset. In this video, we will explore how anyone can thrive financially, regardless of their income. We'll look at the key habits and strategies that can help you manage your money better, save more, and even invest for the future. Whether you earn a little or a lot, you can live well and achieve your financial goals. It's all about making informed choices and staying focused on what really matters. Let's dive in and discover how you, too, can thrive on any income. Number 1. Understanding the mindset. Meet John, a warehouse worker who used to struggle with his finances. John always believed he would never get ahead because of his low income. But everything changed when he decided to shift his mindset. Instead of focusing on what he lacked, John started to focus on what he had and what he could do with it. This change in thinking transformed his financial life. The way you think about money is very powerful. If you believe you will always be broke, you probably will be. But if you believe you can manage your money well and improve your situation, you open the door to positive changes. This is called having an abundance mindset. To develop a positive money mindset, start by practicing gratitude. Every day, think about what you are thankful for, no matter how small. Set clear financial goals, like saving a certain amount each month or paying off a debt. Visualize yourself achieving these goals. It can also help to surround yourself with positive influences, such as books, podcasts, or people who inspire you. Changing your mindset won't make you rich overnight, but it will help you make better financial decisions and set you on the path to success. Number 2. Budgeting for success. Let's talk about Emma, a young professional who once struggled to keep track of her spending. She often found herself wondering where her money went each month. Everything changed when she started budgeting. By creating a budget, Emma gained control over her finances and started saving for her future. Budgeting is like making a plan for your money. It helps you see where your money comes from and where it goes. To start, list all your sources of income, like your salary or any side jobs. Then, write down all your expenses, such as rent, groceries, and transportation. Once you have a clear picture, divide your expenses into needs and wants. Needs are things you must have to live, like food and housing. Wants are things you can live without, like eating out or buying new clothes. Focus on covering your needs first and see where you can cut back on wants. There are many tools to help you budget. You can use apps like Mint or Enab, You Need a Budget, or even a simple spreadsheet. The key is to track your spending regularly and adjust your budget as needed. Budgeting might seem hard at first, but it gets easier with practice. And the benefits are worth it: more savings, less stress, and a clearer path to your financial goals. Number 3. Smart spending habits. Consider Alex, a college student who used to spend money without thinking. He often bought coffee, fast food, and new gadgets. But when Alex realized his spending habits were hurting his finances, he decided to change. By adopting smart spending habits, Alex started saving money and felt more in control. Smart spending is about making conscious choices with your money. Start by tracking your spending for a month to see where your money goes. This helps you identify areas where you can cut back. One effective strategy is value-based spending. Spend money on things that truly matter to you and bring you joy, and cut back on things that don't. For example, if you love reading, buy books but skip expensive dinners out. Another tip is to look for deals and discounts. Use coupons, shop during sales, and compare prices before buying. Also, consider buying used or secondhand items, which can save you a lot. Avoid impulse purchases by waiting 24 hours before buying something non-essential. This cooling-off period helps you decide if you really need it. By adopting these smart spending habits, You can save money without feeling deprived. You'll be able to enjoy the things you love while still reaching your financial goals. Number 4. Building savings and emergency funds. Think about Maria, a nurse who always seemed to be short on cash when emergencies happened. She knew she needed a safety net, so she decided to build her savings and create an emergency fund. This decision made a huge difference in her financial security. Building savings starts with setting a goal. A good first step is to save at least $500 for small emergencies. Over time, aim to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This way, if you lose your job or face an unexpected expense, you'll have money to fall back on. To start saving, automate your savings. Set up a direct deposit from your paycheck into a savings account. Even small amounts add up over time. For example, saving just $20 a week will give you over $1,000 in a year. Look for ways to cut expenses and save more. Make coffee at home instead of buying it, cancel unused subscriptions, and shop smarter. Every dollar saved can go into your emergency fund. Having an emergency fund gives you peace of mind and financial stability. It protects you from unexpected financial shocks and helps you stay on track with your financial goals. Start building your savings today, and your future self will thank you. Number 5. Investing wisely. Meet James, a teacher who wanted to grow his money but didn't know where to start. He was nervous about investing, thinking it was only for rich people. But once he learned the basics, James began investing wisely and saw his savings grow over time. Investing is about putting your money to work so it can grow. Even small amounts can add up thanks to compound interest. Start with basic investments like a savings account or certificates of deposit, CDs. As you get more comfortable, explore stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Diversification is key to smart investing. This means spreading your money across different types of investments to reduce risk. If one investment does poorly, others might do well and balance it out. Begin with low-cost options like index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These funds track a market index and have lower fees. They're a great way to start investing without needing to pick individual stocks. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Don't be discouraged by short-term market ups and downs. Stay focused on your goals and keep investing regularly. By investing wisely, like James, you can build wealth over time and secure a better financial future. Start small, keep learning, and watch your money grow. Number 6. Increasing income streams. Having multiple income streams can make a big difference. Start by looking at your skills and hobbies. Can you turn any of them into a side job? For example, if you enjoy writing, you could freelance as a writer or start a blog. If you're good at crafts, you could sell handmade items online. Think about the gig economy. Platforms like Uber, TaskRabbit, and Fiverr offer flexible work opportunities. You can work when you have time and earn extra cash. Another option is passive income. This means earning money with little effort after the initial setup. Examples include renting out a room on Airbnb, creating an online course, or investing in dividend-paying stocks. Continuing education can also help. Take courses to learn new skills or improve existing ones. This can lead to promotions or better-paying jobs. By increasing your income streams, you can boost your financial security and reach your financial goals faster. Start exploring your options today and see how you can earn more. Number 7. Embracing a growth mindset. Meet Kevin, a store clerk who always felt stuck in his job. He believed he couldn't achieve more because of his background. But once Kevin adopted a growth mindset, everything changed. He started seeing challenges as opportunities to learn and grow, leading to better job opportunities and higher income. A growth mindset is believing that you can improve your skills and abilities through effort and learning. It's the opposite of a fixed mindset, which assumes talents and intelligence are static. To develop a growth mindset, start by embracing challenges. Instead of avoiding difficult tasks, see them as chances to grow. When you make mistakes, view them as learning experiences rather than failures. Seek feedback and use it to improve. Surround yourself with positive influences like books, podcasts, and people who inspire you to grow. Set long-term goals and break them into smaller, achievable steps. Invest in yourself by learning new skills and taking courses. This can open doors to better job opportunities and higher earnings. Kevin, for example, took online courses in marketing and eventually landed a higher-paying job in a new field. By embracing a growth mindset, you can unlock your potential, achieve more, and thrive financially. Believe in your ability to grow, and you'll see positive changes in your life. Thriving financially is possible at any income level, as long as you adopt the right strategies and mindset. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.